So 50 USD for you from G from Florida.
G from Florida, thanks and blessed, one love.
Andy.
Yeah, from the US.
Okay, Andy. Thank you so much for sending me this $30 because honestly, if you can see it, you can see what's going on with colors. You can see.
So, vaya yo así.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Blessed love, girl. Blessed love. Well, you know, I got a public announcement. I know I say dream team, I say one team, I want to say sunrise team are the same one team, you know, so it's a dream team, sunrise team, you know, the one team. So big up to the nurses then, sunrise team, you know, the thing goes already in Florida. Yeah, in Florida, Fort Lauderdale. So guys, so here what is the public announcement. So you know the sunrise team, right, they're going to be having the ribbon cutting, you know, for a new dialysis center, you know, which is same place at the Sunrise Rehab Center. You know, they're gonna have the ribbon cutting for the dialysis unit. Yes, for the dialysis, for the inpatient dialysis unit. Same place there at the Sunrise Rehab Center. So this will be taking place on the 20th of March, which is Thursday coming. You know, the 20th of March, you know, so that will be from 4:30 p.m. till 7:30 p.m. So guys, so this will be the ribbon cutting, you know, for the inpatient dialysis unit, same place there at the Sunrise Rehab Center. And you know, I will be there, you know, this ribbon cutting are going and keen on not gonna miss it. So you know guys, so I will be there, you know, this Thursday, you know, the 20th of March, you know, from 4:30 till 7:30. So that's Florida, you know, Fort Lauderdale. You know, so I will be at the rehab center for this ribbon cutting, you know, for the inpatient dialysis unit, you know, at the Sunrise Health and Rehab Center. You know, so if you're about, if you're local, if you have duty, if you can make it from work, trust me, I will be there so you can come and have a nice time, you know, and see the nurse them doing great thing, you know, cutting that ribbon, you know, for the new dialysis unit. So you know, the Sunrise Health and Rehab Center, that's you know, 4800 Nobile Road, you know, Sunrise, Florida. You know, so if you know 4800, which is 4800 Nobile Road, you know, Sunrise, Fort Lauderdale. You know, so guys, I will be there the 20th of March, which is Thursday coming. So you know, this one can't miss, you know, so I'm gonna be there, special guest. So come on down, you know, if you're watching in Florida, anywhere you are, you wanna come down, you know, come enjoy this ribbon cutting. You know, I don't know, so the nurse them doing great work already. It's the same team, the one team, the dream team, Sunrise team. And you know, so it's a blessing for me to be there to see the new expansion, you know, of a dialysis center, you know, of a dialysis unit there. You know, so that would be a blast, you know. So come on down, come meet the team and come meet I, you know, if you're available. Just come on, show your face, you know, show the love, support the nurses, them support each other, you know. So this will be the ribbon cutting, you know, the inpatient dialysis unit. So come on down, come down guys. I will be there, you know. I will be on the next plane, you know, touching down there. So I'm not going to be there for long, guys. I'm going to be there for a couple of days and I'll be back here in Jamaica. So I will be on that plane, you know, for the ribbon cutting. You know, I can't miss it. You know, when greatness I go and I have to be there. So blessed love, guys. So looking forward to see you guys down there. So come on down. Sunrise Rehab Center. You know, I'm say the address. So it's 4800 Nob Hill Road, you know, Sunrise, Florida. So you can also Google it as well too. You know, Sunrise Health and Rehab Center. You know, and Google can take you right there, so you can't miss it. So come down, like we are celebrating and what a vibe. You know, pop the champagne and cut the ribbon. Pop. So stay tuned. See you guys. Blessed love. Dream Team, one team. Sunrise CM team, one team. Well. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. From your seat tonight, you know what time it is. It's night market night. You know what I mean? It's a night market. I have to get my food tonight. So I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time here tonight. Just going to get my food and then run in. You know what I mean? Because I got some work to go and do. You know, we have to get the work across the line. We cannot go ahead. Blessed, we have to get the work done. So, you know, night market is a hell of a night. You know, so night market is it's on Hillcrest Avenue. That's off Oak Road. You know, it's called Hillcrest Avenue. It's off Oak Road. You know, so. So, as you can see, cars. So I have to park far to come. You know, it seems like I got the last parking spot. Yeah. Who knows? Christopher! Me, myself, and I.
You know.
Nice, Christopher is here. You're at the night market, man. Remember I was telling you about it. Hello.
Yes, bro.
Hello.
Yes, bro.
Yeah. This is where I get my food, right here.
Right here, yeah?
From him. They got some good ital food. Good ital food, eh? My general. Alright guys, so you know we get some food from the original spot, Sun's Cafe. You know, I'm saying when you come here, you need to visit Sun's Cafe. Got good ital food. You need to check him out when you get here. Food is really, really good when you come here, trust me. You know, whenever I say I don't fluke, you know, or duke, or rope, or choke, I don't choke, you know. Christopher, what you having, mate?
No, I say, quinoa, chickpea.
No, what you having?
I don't know.
Quinoa, Becky's in the cup, right?
Oh, such a good then.
Becky's in the cup.
Yeah, but I wish that I couldn't buy that now, and I wish I could buy it.
Listen, make that stay for next day and eat something else tonight.
I know.
She don't eat. Second food.
Yeah?
Tomorrow business.
I just give it to someone else then on the way home.
Yeah.
You know? Substitute
What
for
did
some.
you get? What's that?
Oh, this is some shots. It's some hot shots. One of their shots.
Okay.
Oh,
That's the one of their shots.
healthy, yeah?
Yeah.
How much?
500 for one.
Is it? Alright, wait now. One by one.
Run there by Lucille.
You pay card, eh?
I don't know. But they have sample as well too, you know.
Is it?
Yeah, you can get the sample. But trust me, this is it. The shots is it. Of course, the sample them is there, man.
Sample.
Alright, I'm gonna just go grab some food, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, bro. Yeah, yeah. What we have here today?
So we have some polenta, aka turn cornmeal, and we have some barbecue chickpea, beetroot style. Yeah, and we have some aki pasta,
Aki pasta.
black eyed peas, you know.
And barbecue with chickpea.
Yes, sir.
Alright, and so
Over here.
fix me then now.
That
Over here.
15 is that? Yeah, we have some curry, lentil, Indian style, you know.
You forget it?
So all natural.
What's your Kino like from Jamaica?
Yeah.
Me mad.
Come on,
Yeah.
Sun's Cafe.
You mind?
You might.
Oh, we don't mind.
Alright.
Your mother.
My mother love.
Always I watch.
Yeah.
Wow.
Me a old food on the plate.
We at Sun's Cafe.
Yes.
Yeah, so blessings. So mommy, if you know yourself and I just met your daughter, you know, big up yourself every time for watching Kino live in Jamaica, you know, so I just met your daughter. Yeah, so guys, so we're here at Sun's Cafe, you know, right just over
Vital
there.
is vital.
Alright.
Right, think right, don't be in a doctor will hear that.
Yeah.
Forever young. Aye.
And that's why we're gonna stay like that. So
Yeah.
fix my dish there, you know your thing go. I wanna stay forever, yeah.
It's done, you know.
Come right and go time early. And food almost done. Yeah, come.
video done for you.
Let me tell you, if me continue video some more till I finish. So it's a good thing.
Can't find a place.
Can't find it?
Shot place.
Yeah, man. I'm not sure now. Let me show you a location right here, sir. 1 second, I'm journey.
On the corner.
May I show you? There. So where you see this? There's two white ladies there. Yeah. So two girls them in the white t-shirts.
Oh, the girl before give me the finger.
Yeah. Back again. Yeah. Keep the body feel forever young, you know?
Yeah, man, just what you have a number, so can't go where I'm gonna send the link. Number or
Grab a belch.
come on,
Inevitable. Vegetable.
yeah, cause would I touch all the road after this? Yeah, otherwise. them down there, you know?
Beautiful.
Aye.
Look at that, man. All of the health in the belly.
Yeah.
My belly is rich. You know? Rich. My belly is rich. The
You can't buy 20,000 a shoe and you think it's hard to spend 15 bills or $1,000 on a plant-based food. Yeah, remember that. And when you go to it, a $60,000 and $100,000. If you see the doctor, and when you go to the pharmacy, it's another $50,000.
So check that out.
That's all compared to $2,000.
Yeah. The prevention. See, this is the prevention, guys. So see the guys say, you know, you have to get the prevention. This is the prevention. You know, because you don't want to go pay for the cure. Because the cure would cost you a lot for sure. Right? So eat healthy, stay healthy, you know, get the prevention. Right, trust me. Paying for the cure, it costs a lot more. Here it is. It's like you're not missing nothing, you know? Yeah, I miss nothing. You guys must say, yo, Kino always are eating and video them. You know? Eating, yeah. It's called Kino Life. This is what Kino doing in his life. It's our Chris. It's our Chris.
Yeah, I did it.
Yeah, I heard from here. So, guys, this is what's going on right now. So we have curry chickpea here. We have the so let me go and feed my face, because as I said before, I don't want to bite my tongue on camera and you guys laugh at me. So let me get back to you when I finish eating. Is it? Right, guys, so look at this. Clean slate. Very clean. So you know I'm gonna get myself a drink. This is when you know food is nice. Leave nothing at all. Right? This is when you know the food is nice. Leave nothing at all. Now everything is finished. So grab a belch. I need something to belch now after all of this. Sons, you ever been? You ever been, my general?
Been up there, sir.
Oh. Grab a belch, what you have here?
The amount of people we see
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
like they say, "No, I already fired."
I have finance ginger, I have juice plum, I have the spirulina, mango, jackfruit.
Jackfruit, make a talk short. Where's the jackfruit?
Jackfruit?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Jackfruit, make a talk short, you know? Yeah. No, not sure. So when you grab a belch, when you drink this, you have to belch. If you're struggling with the indigestion, digestion system clog up, you come check, grab a belch, and you have to belch. Have to go burp, you know, no jerk. So grab the belch. So let me try the jackfruit. Let me see if I can talk some more truth.
It look nice, but at the same time it go nice.
Yeah.
Nice, mushy.
That is it. Share ice. Share the difference.
If you find $100, give me one here. If you find
You know, I have none.
that's cool, no, man.
At the $50 I'm fine.
Man, you're good enough.
Alright. Respect. Alright guys, so you know the thing go. Health box?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I the one link man, Randy Pottinger. It's a Kino this. When I forgot.
Kino, I was hear about the one Kino.
Yeah, Kino life in Jamaica, the one who is there for the channel go and do the right thing, you know?
Yeah, man, let's just try Kino, keep up the great work.
Yeah man, cool one.
Need it, you know?
You know, Randy always are watching and see where I go, you know, Mr. Pottinger see there.
Run!
See there.
Find Kino!
Yeah, I know. You know the thing called the universe always connect with.
Definitely.
And we at the right spot, you know? The L spot. Night market and a part and see the I am like health box. You know?
Yeah, man.
I don't want link man, you know the thing go. Bless yourself, Randy Pottinger.
Love Randy.
Yeah, cause you know women
Find Kino, find me!
And the energy and the frequency, I say it always connect, you know? Always, we cannot hide from it, you know, once it happens, it will happen. You know, so you know, one health box, you guys get all of the health, any problem you have, you know the thing go, you can find him.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
you can find you?
You can find me. But you just go away.
Yeah.
You can come on
Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life and find way. The health box, you find way.
Yeah.
Say, we're there at Jamaica, Manchester, Kingston.
Yes.
We're there.
Alright then, so you know, we're going to make an official link up so we can show them what I go and see them.
Definitely.
Because the one love, Randy been spreading it.
Yes.
So I don't know if me help spread it as well, so because the world need to know it and see it.
We need more people to spread
Of
the
course,
goodness.
of course.
The way.
Because the life need it.
The life need it, people need it, brother.
Yes, we all need it, man.
We all need it, brother. We can't be selfish.
No, you have to share the knowledge.
Share the knowledge, brother.
You know,
Share
that's
the
it.
health, which is the wealth.
Alright, so you cannot have your wealth and don't have the health.
Yes, yeah, that is poor.
That's poor. That's poor. Can you imagine the health? To get the health is so cheap.
Very.
You know, but if you go pay enough for the cure after you all, there's so much money you have to go pay.
man.
And the same thing we are talking about just now. You understand? The man always think it up to get the healthy stuff.
Definitely.
And when it's time to go to the doctor now, the medication, and
drugs.
the drugs, the cost.
Yes.
Trust me, it's more than for paying for the
Ridiculous,
for the
man. Ridiculous. So, Mr. always say, pay less now or pay more later.
It's your choice.
Yes, I
you know,
trust.
trust me, healthy will be greater.
Yeah,
So see that man, so big up yourself man, more life and more straight man.
I love.
Yes man. We have healthy pan you make you can grab.
Back on there.
Yes, Pajera.
Back on there.
Yeah. You must show me can grab.
How are you want? So what's up, me have for now? I tell you, and it's awesome.
But guys, so right now I'm having the Wildcraft Organic Dark Chocolate. You know, explain to them quick and fast. What's it?
When you talk about stem cells, when you talk about stem cells, when you talk about cells rejuvenation, they lose 4 million cells a day. This will bring up 8
million.
Yeah, double it.
Double it.
After using this for a period of time, you're going to notice that your cells them double, so you're going to reverse anti-aging.
Okay.
Any sickness that you have, because remember, you know, on a cellular level, everything goes down to cell. We talk about the skin, the blood, the liver, the kidney. All of these are cells.
Yeah.
So cells is where everything begins from. We talk about an atomic. So atomic. See, electrons, because we are electric beings, right?
Yes, true.
See, electron, protons, cell, stem cell.
This is the dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate. And this is Jamaican chocolate. See, so it's wild. And nothing grow or farm. Wild food.
Yes.
So we can't go wrong with that. It's a supplement because that's about iron, magnesium, zinc, copper, iron and them things. That's why you can sleep. It put you in a deep sleep.
At night time.
And then when you wake, I mean, talk about you asleep for 3 hours and it feels like 8 hours because you're well rested and energized and ready to take on the day and motivate you to. My experience, other people experience. We talk about Parkinson and we talk about Alzheimer's, brain function up. When you use this, my memory, I notice, name was an issue for me for over the year. After me I take this, you can't remember name like
whoa, just like that.
So when you say work on a personal.
Yes. And I'm gonna have this for my personal right now. I'm gonna be working with this dark chocolate right now. You understand? So let me say everything happen for a reason, you know?
Definitely, brother.
The energy meant for us to connect and let us know more, you know. So as we have said, you have a website or where them can
the Jamaica Health Box.
And Instagram and them place there.
On Instagram you have Fancy Fruits Jamaica, Fancy Fruit Health.
Yes.
You can check us on them pages.
Them can reach out.
You can reach out on Instagram. You can reach out on TikTok.
You have a card?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
You have a card?
I can give you a card.
Yeah.
Let me check that.
So guys, I'm gonna be having everything I done today. Alright, no worries. So we just get your number personally then.
Just get my number.
So if anything anybody call me and want to reach them, just give them the number then. Alright? Okay, so I'm gonna be working with the dark chocolate, you know, you say it help a lot. So I'm gonna be working with it, you know, I can check him out. Well. Bless the love, right? Bless the love. So, welcome to Keen Life in Jamaica. Thank you guys for watching. And thank you, please, whenever you're watching, to put the thumbs up, you know. So, welcome. So, guys, I'm going to say, today, we're going to buy a TV, you know, for the Cranberry family. From G from Florida, you know, she contacted me and said she wanna purchase a TV for them. So we're gonna head downtown to get that TV for them today. I want to thank G so much, guys. I just want to put the thumbs up, you know. You want you guys to thank G, you know, in the live comment section and in the comment, just thank G from Florida for considering the family for this TV, you know, for them. So. You know, the thing goes everywhere because remember they never have any TV watching. They was watching from one phone. You know, everyone sharing the same phone to watch, even the program to see themselves as well. So hopefully they could get some Wi-Fi to also watch the TV as well too. So because they know they don't have any Wi-Fi. So, but the TV is a step. You know, we give thanks. You know, it's part of helping them to get a better future. You know, with the TV. So we give thanks for that from G. In Florida. So blessings and big up to yourself, G. So guys, remember, so for the positive quote for the day. Remember, always please to stay positive. You know, try your best to have that good energy. You know, try to always focus on yourself. You know, meaning that try to focus to stay positive. Okay, you know, in life you're gonna have obstacles, you're gonna have different energy, try to come around and all this and that, but you always have to stay focused and stay positive. No matter what, everything comes from within. You know, one thing in life I know, every action there's a reaction. Yeah, so every action there's a reaction. So please remember to always be aware of what you're thinking, and always try to be aware of how you're feeling. Because sometimes you can get up and you ask yourself, you know, even during the day, whenever, anytime at all, anywhere you are, you can ask yourself, how am I feeling today? You know, how am I feeling today? And that's aware. As soon as you ask yourself that, it's aware of how you're feeling, because you're going to have that gut feeling, you're going to have that feeling. Right away, your attention is going to switch to how you're feeling. And just be aware. If you know you're not feeling good, you're feeling some anxiety, you feel something, you can change it, you know. You change your frequency by trying to be positive, you know. Listen to some positive music, listen to something positive that motivates you. You know, try to be conscious. I'm not saying it's easy. Well, I should say it's easy, because it's what you put out, you will get back. So when you speak things out, you will get it back. So if you tell yourself say it's not easy, then it's not going to be easy. So when you tell yourself say it's easy, it's going to be easy, you know. So it's all about the words as well too that come off your tongue. You know, that's what we send out, so that's what we get back. So we always have to be mindful, you know, of how we speak or how we encounter someone, you know, in life. Just always be aware of what you're thinking, how you're feeling, and what you're doing. So blessed love to all. So guys, you know, the thing goes already. So before I start off my day, you know, I always have to come to the original place, you know. You know, I cannot stop come here. I'm literally just parked up outside Ibos Spice. So I'm just gonna get something quick and fast, and then now we're gonna head into Trenchtown and then get Esther and get Boom. You know, because you know, especially Boom always here, because Boom work at school, and you know, school always over earlier than, you know, most of the members them who are always on the road working the construction where they don't leave till late. So we don't really have most of the members them to roll with, you know. So that's why you always see mostly Boom and not others, the members. And Jackson sometimes will come off work early, but that's how it goes, you know, everybody have to work. So I like the fact, you know, the members them is out there trying to make ends meet, you know, so it's good. They can help themselves, have them pocket change, so you know the thing. So Ibos Spice, where everything is nice, you know, that's where I'm at now. So I need to go get myself something nice. Ibos Spice. Yes, sir, you are ready to have today.
Yeah, man, I got this, you know.
Oh, I but there, must be guy ready to have.
Yeah, man, we're there, man.
I go and put it in. Hey, let me get what you have smoothie. Smoothie rolling. Eh? Where your son? Yeah, look fresh for ask who your son.
I eat natural, you know?
Yes, natural. Sigo. I mean, when you say your son watching out for somebody young, you know, younger, you know, like, you know. But your mother always show off your age, you know. Come there with my mother the same. Yeah, you see? You see? First one. I come there with my mother and I say, yeah, my mother like, Allah, I tell you. You know? Allah. Sometimes when you run your mom, they make it look like, so yo, even a piece of, oh, you know what I mean? Yeah, true. Yeah, man. Respect and thank you for watching, man. You know.
Yeah, man, every time, man.
Cool, man.
Yeah, and D and all the
So big up D.
Yeah, big up D, M1
Yeah.
More alive. Straight from Kenya. Blessings and love,
Blessings.
you know.
And them young mommy they are going to eat healthy stuff. I was spice. Yeah, man, everything is nice, you know. So you saw she look young and fresh because she eat healthy. You know. Would you think that's her son over there? You think her husband? Yeah. Look at that.
Health is the wealth, you know.
Health is the wealth.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Hey. Alright, boy, so what I'm saying, health is the wealth. You know, she said to me, say, you know, my son always watch your program. So I say, you owe your son. And say, in this next to me, I couldn't believe. I couldn't believe. Hey. I don't have to always eat healthy, you know, but see. But this is the result, you know? The result is this. Yeah, man. Eat right, man. Yeah. Alright, you see it? Eat food in life, you stay alive. That is it. So see it there? Everybody eat something, you must eat something. Always is there, trust me. You can't go wrong. Eat healthy, you know what I mean? Trust. So guys, I'm gonna get some smoothies. So, what's some of that Naka? Huh? It's called lightning. It's called it. You want to try a shot?
What is it? You know, so we know that in everything in here. So don't come with that. We know all of that in everything.
The lightning.
And I just got it in there. And I just got it in there. We're not going to make it in there, but that's a wonder. But anything I put inside, me love you.
Nah, give up the recipe, you know?
Anything I going to make it. Me not make it. Me not try it.
Take the shot, man, mommy. Take the shot, man. Lightning.
This tastes like it's up it's a cream. Juice, you know.
Original juice.
Where me go? Where the place?
Alright. Oh. Life. That is it. That is it. That is it. So I'm set now, guys. I got a smoothie in my brown bag. What's in my bag stays in my bag. So what's in my brown bag? I got breadfruit and I have ripe plantain with my smoothie. I'm not trying to be rude. Yes, guys. So, alright. So I feel so good now after that sip. You know, sipping so good as well too. And so I'm gonna have my smoothie now with my ripe plantain and my breadfruit, and I got my noonie to go and drink afterwards. So that's a good starter for me. So guys, in life, whatever you put out, you will get back. Anything at all you put out, you will get back. So if you put out good, you will get back good. If you put out bad energy, you will get back bad energy. And one of the main things you have to know in life, acceptance. You have to accept what is. You see me? So if you put out bad, you're gonna get it back. Anything at all you put out, just look out to get it back. So you have to learn to accept it. Please, you cannot turn away from it. Just accept it. Acceptance is one of the key of life as well too. So you accept what is. Accept. Anything you put out, you shall get back. So trust me. Anything at all you put out in life, you will get it back. So this guy's so blessed love. So I'm gonna head to get Esther Boom and head into town to get the TV and then heading back to Miami River. Oh no man. Well guys, so you know the thing goes, so you know flash. As I quint, I'm in Trenchtown. So yes guys, I'm in Trenchtown now. So waiting on Esther to come by. Boom just reached. So but in the meantime, got a donation I'm gonna give out as well too. I got 2 donation I'm gonna give out. I got one for colors as well too, you know. So we go check if colors is around. It's been a while I haven't seen colors. Join them on! Oh no. Yeah, so I got a donation for colors. So I'm gonna check and see what colors is going on with. Colors!
What's up, Kino?
What going with you, so?
Only for things, Kino, but that's a fight. It's still. I'm in the hospital already, man.
In the hospital?
Yeah, I came out Friday. Yes, yeah, they have to put in
Bag.
yeah, you see me, but they go do 2 X-ray, you know. But someone from overseas, you know, they send the money. Somebody we meet on TikTok.
Yeah.
But it's a girl named Sunshine Doll. But if you tell the truth, if you're sick, you'd have to pull down. So that's how she believe me now, and she sends someone with the money. She makes some money for me. The 2 X-ray was 23,000, you know.
Yeah.
And they pay for it for me.
Okay.
So I go collect this Monday to bring back to the doctor.
The result.
Because honestly, as me tell you, say, them want to try for me get a surgery overseas, but he don't tell the truth. But I don't really know if when me carry this go back to the doctor and whatever. I don't really know if I don't really. But alright, trust me. Yeah man, nice girl, you know, Kino. She named Sunshine Doll. Alright, Kino, you see the same Tuesday. After them pay for the surgery, the X-ray for me, her niece, alright. Whenever time the money come down here, her niece for pick up the money.
Yeah.
So they stop at one wholesale, you know, Kino, they buy me some grocery, you know.
Yeah.
Plus 1 case of insurance because she was saying this is good for my drink. Kino, you know how long I don't go to airport? Because they don't want me to go over the Kino. Because when I lift up everything I'm over there. You get what I'm saying?
Damage your back.
Yeah, but Kino, you don't know me, scholars stay already, you know. I know them type person that fit, you know?
Yeah.
But say me are big people, nothing or whatever. You
Can I say I see if you look
because
well
enough
now?
time I know say you're there, you know, Kino. But honestly, Kino, I don't want nobody go feel say, boy, you know, I take set on them or whatever. My style, you know, so I'm just there, Kino. You know, true, I live good with Pat. I want them sure give me a little thing, you see me? Yeah, so
all these times them things at airport you there?
no, Kino, boy, I tell you, Kino, enough time I'm there, I'm see you. But, Kino, alright, you see enough time I'm there, I'm hungry, I'm even tell you, say, Kino, I'm afraid for Kino, I don't know, I just mean that. You get me, I say? But still, honestly, I know like how extended family see all this now. You see me, Kino? Honestly, extended family, I know I'm going to reach out to color still. Because, Kino, I'm telling you, I'm good I'm not going to airport, Kino. Because the girl, Sunshine, she don't want me to go to because worse I'm going to have this again, Kino. If I'm going to lift up nothing, because you know, if you lift up the thing them, you know, I have to do it to get her money. Yeah. So that way them don't want me to do. Because them say, but me I go lift up all this club.
Boss.
You see? I'm glad they come give me a look for still, Kino.
Yeah.
So how you know I'm here?
No, I pass come on, say me I come check and see if it.
Yeah,
Catch up on the time is a bit early. I'm gonna usually go about
yeah,
after 3-4 them times.
Real man.
And look how me have some of them bag there what they say me that gear, remember?
No, yeah, car.
You never use them things.
Me never car key, you know. A police me have to call, you know. It was like 3 a.m. in the morning, you know. Me never call 119 for they come and get me. Because nobody here wouldn't, me never want. Yeah, and they take the police, me go meet them out by Calisman Drive, you know, and they take me to the hospital. Yeah, you know.
When was this Friday, sir?
A Friday me came out.
Oh, so when was this?
I think it was a Thursday morning. It was a Thursday morning.
Oh.
Yeah, you know.
No, catch you me have a donation for you, so I say me I come link you.
Okay, you know.
30 US
Okay.
from ND, you know.
ND.
Yeah, from the US.
Okay, ND. Thank you so much for sending me this $30 because honestly, if you can see it, you can see what's going on with colors. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They even go to the airport. Can't even go to the airport right now, car. You get me? But honestly, JD, oh my God. MD. Yeah. Boy, I thank you so much for this $30 because honestly, you know, they look like me have a little bit of the grocery left, you know. Yeah, you see me, but like all the insure, you can finish because honestly they say they want me. The insure is good for me to you know. Yeah. So MD, I really thank you for this $30 here. You get me? And honestly, you know, the lady at the shop, when me go collect this, me they have to buy $2,000 for her. So you know me still from me own body and me, you know. When I go to bigger changes and you know, pay back $2,000. So we still have something, you see me, you know. Yeah man, and thanks MD, you know, for sending me this and I know not gonna reach out for me in donors. Expend it from because I know I love colors. I'm a thank you know for you know, yeah, whatever for come video this and make you see, you know. Yeah man. Right, so I just wake up, so I'm going in back now, go and lay down, you get me?
Alright.
Yeah, key, you know, man. Thanks, you see?
Yeah, man.
Alright,
cool.
Yeah, key.
Well, so we give thanks to ND. You know, thank you for the blessings for Colors. I never know Colors was that sick. You know, so we give thanks ND for that. You know, we can help him out in some way. Yeah. So let's struggle. Boom! Where there? Oh. Boom. Music up there. Rasta Messi. A donation here for you as well too. From G from Florida. So 50 US here for you. From G from Florida.
G from Florida, thanks and blessed. One love. Blessing, thanks.
Yeah,
thanks,
so
G.
that's one for Esther, so waiting on Esther to come. You know, and so it's the same G guy that's gonna buy the TV for the Cranberry family. Yeah, so waiting on Esther. Once Esther comes, they go just head downtown and grab the TV. You know, so we also have $50 for her as well too from G. You know, so G, we thank you so much. You know, and God bless you. So guys, everything goes. So we're on the journey. So blessed love every time. Camera right there. Jackson.
Right.
Just rolling in.
Yeah.
It's there already, man, but you can't see it. Alright then.
Yeah, one ball. What's the camera there? Yeah, ball. Yeah, what's the camera there?
Just to come out to work.
Yeah, just to come out to work. I'll tell you stuff.
So Esther, you pull up same time. Esther pulling in.
Rolling back around.
Jackson rolling, boom rolling, and Esther rolling. With our mommy. Yeah, and Jackson reach on time. Yeah. Sister. I got something for sister too from them times. So everybody reach at the same time. Me carry come. Hello sister.
Oh, thank you.
Hi.
What's your name? Eddie, you want to shut your
Eddie, it's not you, Eddie. No one is speaking to you. It's not your time yet, Eddie. So we don't want to hear your voice. Alright. Esther mom. Sister Junie. So we have $3,000 here for you from Pat from New York. Yes. So you're just coming off the machine, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
You have the bandage for now.
Yeah, so we're not keep. So
Thank you, Pat. Thank you very much. Thank you, and God bless you.
no problem.
Yes.
So you need to go in and get some rest now.
Yeah, keep on praying. I keep on praying for you, Pat.
Yeah. Alright
I'm
then.
going to get some rest now. Just come off of the machine.
Okay then.
Yes.
Alright then, take
Thank
it
you,
easy, yeah?
Tina.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright then. Esther! Oh, Esther.
You ready?
Yeah, me have your one as well too. I got $50 here for you. From...
Make Eddie hear my business, right?
Oh, Eddie, here I go on.
No, I don't hear one thing.
Okay, me have $50 for Esther.
Thing dying now is family.
Okay. So here's $50 here, Esther.
Alright.
Alright, listen what me I say, Eddie. Because you answer me so that me can hear. So me have $50 here for...
No, can we say?
Alright then, listen again. I got $50 here for Esther from G from Florida.
Okay, thanks, Miss G from Florida. I really appreciate it.
So Eddie, you can call her and get your cut, yeah?
Now you know when I say no.
Alright then, that's good, you miss it. That's good. But that's good though, at least you answer and you don't hear. Imagine that. So imagine if you could have hear. Alright Esther, so come.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah. Alright, so I'll give thanks to G and also Pat for the donation, right? So Esther is here, so we're going to head downtown, get the TV and head up Mana River. Then it goes already. Blessed. Oh, hold on there, Esther, we have another one for you. From ND. Oh, here's another one for you. $30 here from ND as well too.
Thanks, Miss ND. I really appreciate it. And may the good God bless you. Keep you safe always. And G from Florida. G from Florida.
G, yeah. This name Blue Mountain Close.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so you know we have to thank Miss G from Florida, you know, for the TV, you know, for Cranberry family. You know, we have to thank them so much, you know, for the TV.
Yeah.
Well, fresh.
We're just going
I be.
find them. Come up here.
So yes, we have to thank Miss G from Florida
Yes,
for the
Miss
TV.
G, thanks again for supporting the girls one more time. It's a good look.
G. Alright, Jackson, you look tired, but not alive. See how rock away. Hard working, Ross. Yeah. Jackson been sleeping from in the car. What does a boomer put the bag them? So we are doing so. Eh? No, because the bag them not set up. Because the bag not set up for the water. In the rain, the plateau come down. Notice the dog not too slim again. You know see? More look the dog. Yeah. The dog is not so slim again, guys. Look. It's putting on about a little weight, you know? The dog food at work. The puppy I put up. So I build the veranda and the kitchen. Right here. When you flash it, will come out better, man. You know that already. General. Go on. Anna, how you doing?
You know, so we just don't bring up the black them from over past the river.
You just run?
Yeah, me and Lee, but we just bring up some and let some down the sun.
Yeah.
But I get an extra and my brother come give me a hand today for bring some sand and help for the...
Okay. So everything come over now?
Yeah.
The black them?
Yeah, the black them. But you
The female them come over them. The puppy female them.
Okay. Okay, you win that blaze now.
well, if you don't bleed, the 6 of them come in that something. Next one is one more in the blade. 5 of them look at 6 of them come in.
Look by liquor, you know? Yeah, Mr. See around this, so.
Supposed to put up the roofing kind of same the way till it cool car up at the well hot.
Oh. It look like it's like a rain.
Yeah, that's how I want to zinc off the top there now.
Oh yeah, put on the zinc now.
Yeah.
Look like finally I get some rain. So dog there, not too many ribs showing anymore. Look. Put on some weight. The puppet show really work. And now he's bringing up the next side, you know, of the wall for the kitchen. So basically the guy is gonna dig off the whole of this, you know, so he's gonna have more space going back that way, and then he's gonna retain the wall. You know, he's gonna box and cast it. He's definitely gonna box and cast it. So as you can see, Papi are putting the work quick and fast. He's not waiting, not itching. You're gonna show her, Esther. Why go, Nana? Come here, my friend, Nana. Come, my daughter. Come, Nana. Do what I'm gonna start doing, yeah? Yeah. Coco, how you doing? How frightening are Esther? How frightening are?
Oh, nobody.
Nobody? So no. So no. You know, Nana?
Every day I find already cool.
I got Esther, your next one I watch me pine. Man, I watch me pine and the style, you know, Esther.
But no, say you
You never know nothing.
What?
You never know I'm coming.
What? Nana, what me tell you at school?
You never know nothing.
What? I said, I mean just tell Uncle Man say you come. Uncle Man say, I show you tell better he must come. I mean, I'm gonna tell him again. I tell him say he must come. I never believe me, no. So wait, tough pattern. Yeah. So believe him.
Yeah, man, good.
Never hear.
Come bring the TV and come. I want to stay too late.
TV.
We're gonna fall somewhere. You get TV. You get TV. You get TV.
That one is big. How shall this?
40-inch.
So this I can each up in our room over this, so and we can watch it ourselves. So I told we alone in the room. I picked.
I pick one in a room. So we Coco.
Don't go to sleep around here.
Your friend?
Yeah.
Coco, we're raw?
Yeah, look now through the light there one that's your friend.
If Ari come, she sleep around now.
You see?
That's the only time I see
You see
her.
Ari? Where Ari? Yeah. Lego. How much remote in there too?
Yeah.
And it come with something right here, the bracket.
The bracket, yeah. In general, turn that in there. Alright then. Alright. What? Skate me and skate away. Skate away. Mr. Walk one. Oh, see TV, yeah. We want to come thank G from Florida. You know, what the TV, Esther? Them hold it up. Two on hold it one side. Alright, then. Can you manage it here, Nana?
Yeah.
Eh? So turn on, so you can see where I go on.
What do you say, Nana?
Turn on, Esther, turn it on. Turn TV on.
Wait.
Oh, the next. So, my just like so, like.
Ah. Yeah, like so. Alright. You can't manage it.
Lego.
Nana come stand on here.
Lego. Say what? What is Nana? What on there? You can't manage it.
And you put that side and she put that one side. And she that one side. Yeah. I'm struggling. What's that?
No, wait, Nana.
What's that? I think I mark it here go.
Me?
Go down to the end and make
Nana come down.
Yeah. Toko come right. Thank one elder me and Toko. We want to thank Miss G
Thank you, Miss G.
from Florida.
From Florida.
from Florida, and may God bless you and make your food basket never empty.
Alright then. So we got TV for watch. So we'll not forget internet to watch it, right?
Yes. By Wi service and connect to the TV.
Oh. So you can watch big screen and watch a program now and watch yourself on Kina Life in Jamaica.
We can press the something and say keep my lifestyle come. I don't want to do the next TV.
Kina Life in Jamaica.
So when you put up this one?
Next never.
So when you put up the where's your name? Little girl.
Which one?
Oh, Father for your.
Oh, Father for the year that
She don't remember.
Shanette. Now we can put it down now.
Yeah, you can put it down now. You want it? Am I the brother? Your father brother? Oh, your brother? Your brother? By mother's side and father's side.
Oh, your brother is?
Yeah.
Okay. Tara, Lover, and
Come on now, come.
Yeah,
Say me just know your him and him sister.
and that's
Some to them. Cranberry, go and call Lukuman, please.
short in premise and can't hear we. Don't say look man here.
Go and call Lukuman.
I'm sure.
go and go for the yard, go call him and come back. Let's go on and come back.
Joe, the number one, the more give me calling to the panda side. Them things up there.
Zig them.
Nobody draw me down.
Yeah. Yes, so slippery. But bring up the wall already, so I'm going to dig off this so I have more space.
Yeah, box them I go.
So where the entrance is going to be now?
Must
Oh, it must have really come up.
you can take a L shape.
Yeah.
If you want to think about we. Yeah. Give them a skate. Well, feel like the shorter one them in the roof funny.
The water run off.
The water will aside. You know, so not only I want. Not too cold and never knew around and never knew around.
So you can make the waterfall this side.
Yeah, some you have to put the water that side. Well, that's how we do some. I got go tight. I mean, all the water chop up back on us.
Yeah, because
I don't want too much right go on that side. I don't any meat I forgot about. Put it on that side.
you don't want the water wash off but the whole of your so.
Yeah.
If they run down your so it go. So which part of the best way?
Yeah.
Other side of the best side for you run off?
Yeah, don't take that side and I have to go to.
Oh.
And I have to just go tight and I know so balance the water back down the side. Remember I don't tell you the tree will go up there, sir?
Yeah.
You know, I get the heavy pressure water, continue water for you, beat it out.
So that got me if the water run this side then.
Yeah, beat it out. But I go tight so the water I went in and I go in and go down and go back right.
Okay, I make a gutter right here so.
No, I go to the just to the end of here, sir.
Yeah, so?
Yes, sir. And that's why I put it so the zinc now go past this, you know.
Okay.
The zinc now go past it. And I go tight. So the water now go come out. The water go in and go down, come down and go safe and go in and jump or something.
Okay, oh you gotta use something for you run off you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have me a lot, man. Yeah, me a lot. And the soup them for going to the zinc. We cut up yesterday. Next thing, I have to monitor man, the place me I have to know when me I send the water and the water come out and the water there I the misery, you know.
The water down.
Water. Yeah, so the thing with them I have to try to see how me can monitor the water.
Yeah. So you gotta use like a zinc to gutter it.
Yeah man, they sell the gutter then see away man. Just need it underneath the zinc and touch the water.
Yeah. I will say the shower I got the hand.
The shower got it over here.
Over here sir.
Or the bowl I got it on that side.
The bowl. Oh right there sir.
So you know the whole of this where they can go in and go beach because I go now go back, I just block up there sir. With some 4-inch block, just block it up there sir.
Right here sir.
Yeah, come back right up there sir. So shower pipe I go there in here sir.
Okay. I take a run off right there so.
No man, it will come back for a ground. The pipe, you see the pipe that ground? That will cover up, you know. When you come up, that will cover up. So normally when the water go through, you don't have to stop right, the water will go back through that.
Okay.
I'm not send the water in my pit, I'm not send the wastewater in my pit. I send it back down in my yard and I just leave the pipe alone, I send it back in my pit.
Yeah.
I'm not send the water in my pit, but the water will then be here and so now I go in my pit.
Yeah. Okay. So we say to prevent the water to splash pan this, how we going to put on it?
No man, one metal zinc man, when you see, not with the pipe, you don't go, when you come, you just have to see. I just the thing there you have to see out man, you're not going to see the pipe itself, old pipe, because the pipe is going to be behind it.
Yeah.
You just have to see the shower pipe alone and I will come through it.
Okay.
And then you have to see what
Let's see, yeah.
Because them board, you're not going to see them board in the night.
Yeah. Everything going to disappear.
There's just a little metal thing. So about to put a metal. See that? I call you put the thing there on that, you're not going to use that, you use a little metal.
Yeah. For now, pillar fire, come clean up the place. Come. Talk up. Little miss, little man. Come, the yard want sweep up. Everything want take up. Come, help the housework, okay? Talk up. Come on. Get the broom. Who should get the broom? That's when it should have fight. Talk up, get the broom, get the something. Right? You must always help and clean up the yard, okay? Yeah, Toko? Where's Toko? Look, miss everyone. Where's Cranberry? So, get the broom. Toko, stop the hiding.
I can't come on tonight.
Nah, the rain stop. The one. Cranberry, come get the broom, get to work.
Me a go cook.
You a cook? What you going to cook?
Cranberry.
Is she a cook, Kenisha?
Fried dumpling.
Fried dumpling.
I should reach. Cranberry, where broom? Me don't know where the broom is. See right there.
See right there.
Number 2
Look, there's rubbish there in the yard. Walking up there, so now have to clean up those and put them in one bin. There's a bag there, you can put the rubbish them in the bag there. Right, and you can't make the yard stay like this. Yeah. You know, use something to scrape it up. You have a shovel? You have any shovel?
Shovel, don't get that.
Where? Have on cement. Use one piece of plywood and scrape it up. Don't use your hand. Just use one piece of plywood. Like something flat. Here's the cardboard. Yeah. Here, scrape it on the cardboard. Look. Use this. Scrape it on the cardboard and you just put it in the bin. So Cranberry says she's gonna cook. So look, man, don't sweep the dirt, don't sweep the rubbish them. And just eat them up, so you can put them in the bin. So Tara help her. Well done, Tara, that's nice. You don't want to talk or she run gonna hide? Cranberry, if you're not talk or you spread bed.
Yeah, look at my best son. Mommy has put out none of the guys socks and then come take up my.
But you look at Miss doing in here.
Right.
I miss. Throw them in the bin. Stop throw them outside like that. Just find the bin and cut and put it in the bin. Oh. Yeah, sweet now, right? Alright. Sweet. You have to take up these. You don't need them. Put them in here, son. Give it in there so you have more space. Give it 5. Nice. Right. Take up the crux. Which crux is that?
Yeah. Oh.
Take the crux up.
That boy don't be no friend.
What?
My sister.
Yeah, throw them in the bin.
This have a bit.
So look at me, see our fried fritters.
What's your Janisha?
Alright, so you have to take the basket out the way so you have room to sweep, Nana. And you can be when you're finish it around there, so surround there, so now for go clean it up as well, okay? Sweep it for that direction. So now sweep, man, I can't even sweep, but bring it to the front. So you have some stuff under the bed when sweep. The TV that. Even.
And look at me.
Yeah.
Make it cheap. Come on. You know, say, the clothes over here small. I know they never get to dry. Yeah. Whoa, that's time.
Let's sweep that outside first. Yeah, come back for that. Take your time with that tofu. We have put over here.
The bag thing.
Yeah. No, leave that talk where you cannot manage that. Leave that, miss. Leave the cement bag. Just shoot yourself. Alright. Come and show you where to shoot now. Come.
Mommy. Give me that.
No, shut. I want broom and have.
Yeah. Mommy, you see the jug of water? Eh? Excuse. Give me some jug of water.
All Tara work too as well too. Yes, Tara, sweep it up, Tara. Well done, Tara. Use the rake, Tara. Yeah. Run at the back, run at the. Come past it, talk. Sorry. It's right there, so Cranberry, why you chewing that like that? It's running, so these stuff one to take up from here. We have to get the rake for this, Nana. Yep. So if you see them come and say, if I get the rake, oh, so the rake here. Tire the rake. Come use this. The tire of the boom and you use the rake. Come in, Nana. Make tire.
Use the boom.
Yes, Tara. Use the broom inside now, like cousin. Go and sweep there inside. Go on up there. Go on up there, Tara. Come up here, sir, and sweep right there. Just keep it up. Just keep it up right here, sir. You're not going no further. Just leave it right here, sir. Put the slippers there. Let's put one out. You have to get, just make it stay right here, so you have to get something now, put it, just want to throw the rubbish over there. So now you have to get something to rubbish bag to put them in there. Right here. How about close them up on the ground? How for that? Take up that. Take up. Mind a foot on that. Take up that board. Put it one away. Put it over there. Yeah. That's anything when you don't need, you know. And then don't have to go dispose these rubbish. Leave her. Alright, Tara. Mine. So she wanna throw the rubbish over here. Over there, sir. Oh. Put some in the bag. Tara, mine and Tara with that. Alright, Tara, you don't have to sweep it anymore. Alright, Tara. Alright, Tara, you don't have to sweep anymore. Just now, give me this. Thank you. We're gonna empty the rubbish now, okay? Well done. Right. You see? Look better down, right? You know, for always keep it like that. Right? So just
look here.
I'm going to take some. Yo, tell Kenisha. 5 grand and 5 grand to you, Kenisha.
Look here.
They come on my class.
dumpling.
I don't know who teach them for fried dumpling.
Let's brag.
Come on, learn.
Look, man, me dumpling that tastes nice. Alright.
Come on, you finish as well. Finish. Well done, little man. So look, man, done well. Look at that. No, Toko, you leave that. You leave the shovel, Toko. You will leave the shovel. You don't need the shovel. My foot on the shovel. We're going to finish now. Yeah, you go, use the shovel and finish our running. So. Toko, no, leave the dirt. You're going to leave it. Because your father going to need it. Don't throw it off. Leave it. Put on the shovel. Might hurt yourself. Go and use the shovel and you take up those rubbish. Use the shovel and take up those. Yeah, then there. Wait, take your time. My hurt each other. Wait. No, no, wait, Toko, wait. One Toko. So use the weight now and just sweep up this and just pile it into one. Just take your time and pile it into one. Turn it. Wait, Toko, wait, don't put the shovel here. Toko. Pile it into one. Come here, come with the shovel now, Toko. Come. Since you want to use the shovel, put the shovel down. Put it flatter. Right? Then you're going to lift it up and put it in the bag here. Lift it up. Put it in the bag. Open the bag. Put it inside. Right? Alright, come again. Now make it stay first. What you have to do, you have to heap it up first. Right? Don't push it, just keep it right there. open the bag for you, little man. Wait, make little man open the bag for you. So that's in the bag. So who can close us on the ground there? Hurry. So now some leaf here.
Look around.
Yeah, go for the bag. Don't use the hand, Toko. Don't use the hand. Stand up. Use the rake. Take your time with this thing.
Yeah.
Come, hold the shovel now.
Nana, walk me.
Open the bag now. Put it in the bag. Okay, so take up this bit. Put it in the bag now. Take your time. Let's go. Alright, so for these slippers and shoes, we need to take them out now and put them where they're supposed to go. So, take up these stuff right here. Is the back good? That back good? Take up the spoon and take up. Alright, so take up the back and put it one away. Good. It's alright, so the can go empty the rubbish now. Empty that rubbish, come on the rubbish heap.
And bring back the ball?
Yeah. Make sure. Well, Toko, bull. Toko, you have to bring back the bag, okay?
This one, let me go.
Well, make sure she bring back the bag. So who's clothes on the ground? Take it up. So make sure every day when you come from school you must help with this housework, right? Every day you must help. Alright guys, so the girls they must do their work.
Look, come on in.
Yes guys, so you know the thing goes already, so we're gonna run in. Yeah. Because it's gonna rain.
Yo, boy, I got me gonna look at Brother, let me touch you.
Not ready yet, man.
They can get one.
From yesterday to today, one already? So quick. From yesterday to today?
Next time I do third one, I think they're going to feel the next one over find it.
Yeah. Oh.
If you get that today, I think that you know what's up.
Alright then kids, I'm gonna go now, okay? Alright then, bye bye chef. Hey Tat, let's go.
Bye.
Make sure every day you come on the little houseworks, okay? Nana? Well done, okay? You're done well. You Miss Cranberry. Kenisha?
Yeah.
Make them do them housework every day them come home. Come.
Normally, as I say,
Commentation we have gonna
normally today none of wash the plate them, Cranberry come clean the house.
Yeah, and the yard. Alright? Because when the house finish, you know, and everything, you know, you can't throw no rubbish nowhere at all.
You hear that?
Right? When the house finish and everything.
Now come.
Okay, but you done well though. High five. Well done. Well done, Toko. Toko. Well done. Well done, Tara. Well done. Little miss. Little man. Big up. Little man done well as well. So look and see what the whole of this. Yeah. You want to put some buckle on these, yeah?
Here.
Put some buckle on these.
Tomorrow, I'm going to try to start out the steak.
Yeah.
Can't throw the dirt, them much water down.
Yeah.
You know, so to them, I try, them the way got to dig down, but try bring on the dirt, then can help them.
Yeah.
Bring up the black thing.
Alright, then. So bye bye everyone. Bye.
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 Bye-bye.
Alright, Tara. Papi, look more.
And tell the team if you're serious.
Yeah. So, Papi, tomorrow then. Alright. Tomorrow, you can. Alright. Yeah. Yes, guys, so I thank you now for the blessing. You know, G from Florida, thank you as well for the TV, you know, for Cranberry family, you know. Thank you so much.
Tara, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Tara. Bye.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.